best thing I learned today is probably how to create GPTs and the interpreter feature in ChatGPT. That was amazing. This will make me able to help families and customers a lot faster. Today's training was awesome. I use ChatGPT in my personal life, and professionally, I use it as a fancier search engine or to create basic documents. But today, it's really opened my mind to the possibilities on how I can boost morale for my team, how I can increase our efficiency with producing training materials. That is handy for anyone to use at any time, so they don't have to wait and sign up and wait for a whole month for the next iteration. We can create some GPTs and have them, ask questions and get their answers right away.
And what was the best thing you learned today?
The best thing I learned today is probably how to create GPTs and the interpreter feature in ChatGPT. That was amazing. I've been studying Spanish on Duolingo for 1,062 days, and now I'm like, you know what? This will make me able to help families and customers a lot faster. So I'm going to use that feature like today.
And would you recommend to other school districts, or who would you recommend it to?
Absolutely. Like you said in your training, central office is often behind the curve in terms of new trainings. It's usually for school districts, trainings like this are geared towards the academic side. But I recommend every school district, if you have a business office, please sign up for this training. It will increase your efficiency and productivity in ways you had no idea.